Welcome to our channel. Here we are going to discuss about a SEO case study. Certainly, let me share a SEO case study to illustrate the impact of search engine optimization SEO strategies on a website's performance. Case study is about improving organic traffic and conversions for e-commerce website. Our client's background: our client have an online e-commerce store specializing in handmade jewelry, approached our SEO agency in January 2022. They were facing stagnant organic traffic and declining sales despite having a unique product offering and a user-friendly website. Client's goals was: 1. Increase organic traffic to the website. 2. Improve rankings for target keywords. 3. Boost conversion rates and sales. 4. Enhance the overall online visibility of the brand. The following strategy and implementation that we follow. First, comprehensive keyword research. We conducted in-depth keyword research to identify relevant, high-volume keywords in the jewelry niche. We categorized keywords into different themes like handmade jewelry, custom jewelry, and artisan jewelry. Second, on-page SEO optimization. We optimized the website's on-page elements, including title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and image alt tags using the identified keywords. This ensured that each product page and category page was well optimized for search engines. Third, technical SEO audit and fixes. We performed a technical SEO audit to identify and rectify issues like broken links, duplicate content, and page speed issues. This improved the overall user experience and search engine crawlability. Fourth, high-quality content creation. We implemented a content strategy that involved creating informative blog posts, product descriptions, and guides related to jewelry making and trends. This not only added value for visitors, but also targeted long-tail keywords. Fifth, building high-quality backlinks. We engaged in outreach to relevant jewelry and fashion websites, securing backlinks to our client's website. These high-quality backlinks boosted the website's authority and helped improve rankings. Sixth, mobile optimization. We ensured the website was fully responsive and optimized for mobile devices, as Google considers mobile friendliness a ranking factor. Seventh, monitoring and analytics. We set up Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor website performance, track rankings, and identify areas for improvement continually. And the results are: first, organic traffic increase. Within 6 months of implementing our SEO strategy, the client saw a significant increase in organic traffic. Traffic grew by 75%, with a notable improvement in user engagement metrics. Second, keyword rankings. The website achieved first-page rankings for several high-value keywords related to handmade jewelry, increasing its visibility in search engine results. Third, conversion rate improvement. By optimizing product pages and enhancing the overall user experience, the conversion rate increased by 30%, resulting in a substantial boost in sales. Fourth, brand visibility. The client's brand became more recognizable in their niche, leading to increased social media followers and mentions in the jewelry community. Conclusion: this SEO case study highlights the transformative impact of a well-executed SEO strategy. By focusing on comprehensive keyword research, on-page optimization, technical fixes, content creation, backlink building, and continuous monitoring, we were able to significantly improve the client's organic traffic, rankings, and revenue. Remember that every SEO case is unique, and success depends on various factors, including industry competition, website condition, and the evolving nature of search engine algorithms. However, a strategic and data-driven approach, as demonstrated in this case study, can lead to substantial improvements in organic search performance. And in the last, I want to say, if you like the case study, then please like and share the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.